Hi, I'm Julie with the lifestyle website, julieplanner.com, where I share easy ideas for entertaining, recipes, home decor, and so much more. Today, I'm here with my friend Lisa, Farmhouse on Boone, to share how to make an easy DIY wreath. Lisa and I are actually great friends from St. Louis. Her little farm is right outside of the city surroundings that we live in, and we've gotten to know each other so well through the years. You will absolutely adore her beautiful farmhouse and effortless style. She's so genuine and sweet. I know you'll absolutely love her too. So don't forget to click on over to Farmhouse on Boone in the description below and follow along. Now, you don't have to run off to the store to do this. You can actually do it with or without a form, and you can do it with or without purchased greenery. You can hop right over to your backyard, and usually there you might find some holly, some evergreens, some pine, even some beautiful juniper with blueberries. Today I'm working with olive stems, and I purchased those at Trader Joe's for about $3.99 per bunch. This takes just about one big bunch. So let's get started, shall we? I'm going to take my stems. I like to group them in threes, about the same length, approximately the same length, and attach them to the wreath using the metal floral wire. We're going to wrap each one around 4 or 5 times until they're nice and secure. And then we'll go ahead and we'll add another set of 3. Some can be a little bit longer, a little bit shorter. We'll make this nice and fluffy. Don't worry too much about smashing the group of leaves, because you'll have another group that will go on top of it in just a moment that will disguise it. Make sure you're wrapping tightly so they're nice and secure. And we're just going to continue around in the same fashion. As you can see, this wreath is incredibly simple. It takes just about 10 to 15 minutes to make. Now you can fill in any bare spots with groupings or even just a single stem. As you can see, that was incredibly easy, and it looks picture perfect. Don't forget to click subscribe and ring that bell so you receive notifications each time I share a new video. I look forward to seeing you again soon.